Hello everyone, this is Anne from Odulcina Scrap. I am back with an idea of decoration for a page, part of the series. So today what I want to do is take a big picture, portrait or ephemera card, whatever you feel for, and create a pocket and decorating it at the same time. So this picture of Lily LC and the wallpaper are part of that kit, and I'm just gonna age it. I could create a small pocket with that paper, but I'll just glue it down 100%, and it's gonna act like a background. I'll just keep the picture to create the pocket. So I need kind of a big picture because otherwise the pocket is a bit too small. And before gluing Lily LC, the picture of Lily LC, to create the pocket, I'm gonna decorate it. I prefer to decorate it before gluing it because I tend to do some sewing, so that would be the time to do the sewing. For this example, I didn't do any sewing, I just glued it, but I love to keep my option opened, so I don't glue too fast and I decorate if I can. Because see, I could do this a stitching here instead of just gluing. So what I've done is I used the little pot that you saw me picking the little pieces of lace from, and I just grabbed whatever I thought could work. And now with just that small amount of laces, I'm building up a little decoration. My favorite glue is for fabric like that, doing what I'm doing right now. It's the hot glue because I can create folds like you saw me with the spatula easily. And I'm gonna put a page of paper just to protect my real page. And this is how I glue. I tend to glue a little portion to secure it so I can add more tension to the lace later on when I'm gluing the leftovers. So see, I'm gonna start with just a little portion. I'm gonna secure the top of the lace, and then I can glue the remaining without stressing about the lace moving too much. So it's just a matter of layering 2, 3, 4 pieces of lace. And look at that, this is a leftover from a blouse that had lace. So I'm gonna remove a little bit more of the cotton that was sewn to the lace, or the lace was sewn to the cotton, and I'm just adding it. And well, the focus is not really good right now, I'm a little bit too far, but it's just a little detail like that that makes a whole difference if you love the shabby chic style, of course. So now I'm ready to glue, so I'll just glue 3 sides of the picture or the card. That could be a postcard as long as it's in the same portrait orientation. And I have now a pocket. Inside my pocket, I'm gonna use just a scrap of paper, like it can be any type of paper, but I'm gonna use a typewriter ephemera piece of paper that I have. And it's a bit too big, so folding it will reduce the length and will create kind of a pocket tuck spot at the same time. So I love the idea. Now I cannot really leave it empty, so I always have a few ephemera that are ready to go, kind of. So I just need a little bit of ink and that's it. That's a simple page and so gorgeous. Thanks for watching everyone, and see you for the next idea. Bye bye.